Hey guys, it's me Shania. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to be making zucchini noodles. For this recipe, you'll need zucchini. Although the recipe calls for 3 zucchinis, I only have like a half or like one. I don't know how much this is. So I'm just going to be adjusting the recipe. Also going to be needing shrimp. Mine is already cooked. An onion. 3 cloves of garlic, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, vegetable oil,
and finally salt and pepper.
I kind of chose this recipe for her because she likes shrimp, so. Anyways, first things first, we gotta cook the shrimp and add all the ingredients like the sauces and the garlic. So for this recipe, you're gonna be needing 2 cups of shrimp. I'm going to be adding 1. The measuring cups you'll need in this video are 1 cup and tablespoon. And I'm going to thaw it. I don't know if this is enough. So on the back of this package it says to leave it under cold water for 2 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Now while the shrimp is thawing, I'm going to be like making the zucchini into noodles basically. I'm just going to, what is this called? I'm just gonna use this, okay? Okay, so I just cut to the chase. This is the end result. It's not as noodly as I want it to. It's a little bit more thicker than noodles. Now the zucchini noodles part of the recipe is done. The shrimp part is done thawing, so I'm gonna add in the stuff. I just want to let you know that Shania left, and now I'm doing all the work. So. All the shrimp have been peeled off their shells, and right now, since my sister is gone, I'm just going to put everything into the fridge for right now, and then she'll take it from there when she comes back. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. I'm finally back home though, so we can finish up this video. Let's get going. We have our shrimp. I'm sorry for the ghetto lighting as well, but I'm using my phone. All of these were in the fridge. Let's take a look at them. So this is the zucchini, and now we also have our shrimp, which it took some time for us to peel. It's pretty hard actually, but we have them all peeled. First we have to put the sauces in and everything for this and let it marinate for some time. 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna add about 1.5. So I'm gonna put this garlic and a small one. Now we have our garlic all minced up. Let's start by adding the sauces. You'll need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm gonna do like half of a tablespoon. Now we need 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. That is like more than enough. Now we have vegetable oil. You gotta put 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put a tablespoon and a little bit more, but not too much. The recipe calls for a tablespoon of sesame seeds, but there's sesame seeds in the teriyaki sauce, so I'm not really gonna add any. And lastly, the garlic we just chopped up, I'm gonna add in here. And now with the same tablespoon, I'm just gonna mix it up. So now we have our shrimp all mixed up, and now we're just gonna let that sit until we get the onions chopped up and add it to the zucchini noodles. Instead of using 1 full onion, I'm gonna use half, and I'm just gonna chop it up. Last year I went for a list. So now we're here. That's why I have to go there. Okay, now we have our onions all chopped up, and now since the onions take longer to cook than zucchini, I'm guessing we're gonna put the onions in the pan first, and then we're gonna add on the zucchini afterwards. Grease the pan with oil, put the onions in. Oh, it smells nice. It's like sweet. but like still like. Can I taste it?
No.
Okay. So I just put oil on the pan and now I'm gonna put onions in. Yeah, let those cook for a while and get back to you. Shrimp, on the other hand, I'm just gonna let it sit here. After adding the zucchini noodles, we're gonna add in the shrimp at last. Put the onions in. The onions are fully cooked, and I put excess sauce from the shrimp into the onion. So now there's more flavor in the onion, so that's a good thing. Now finally we have our zucchini, so I'm gonna add that in. Also on the side, I have a pan that I put the shrimp on just to like cook a little bit, so then I can just add the shrimp on. So here we have the zucchini. At the bottom there is onions. It smells really good. And on the side I have the shrimp. Just chilling, cooking a little bit before I add it into the mixture. Alright, you guys, it's taste test time.
Oh, it looks good.
So now I put the shrimp in and everything's all good. It's taste test time. Woo, our favorite time actually.
It's the only reason we do this.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of everything. I'm kind of scared for the zucchini.
Yeah, I think it looks good. So ready?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, even without the
good.
shrimp, it's good. But the shrimp makes it like
Even better.
yeah.
I like it. I didn't think it would be this good. It's like really crunchy. And the flavor is really good.
So out of 10, how much you rate this? It's kind of liquidy though. I thought it would be a little bit more drier, but once I put like the, I don't know what made
Not
it.
really. It's like,
No, like in the pan, there's like a little bit of liquid left.
but that's okay.
Okay.
It's just the remaining like gravy or whatever.
Yeah. Okay.
Out of 10, I think it's like a 9.
Yeah, probably. Me too, 9. Good one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click subscribe and the like button and comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. No one did that last time, so make sure you do it this time.
Or like recommendations of what you want to see
True,
in the
true.
future.
Bye. Yes, there is. There isn't?
Seriously?
It's here 27?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
It expires today.
I'm just going
Okay. Okay. It's two.
Sorry, go. Am I in the set?
Yes. First off, we got the first thing.
She still didn't say thank you.
Thank you. She's the worst.
Stay hydrated.